Well, turning to a look at our weather with meteorologist John Weather Apr, and we had a beautiful weekend, but a little on the hot side.
To some folks, it might have been a little on the hot side. I personally thought it was wonderful.
Well, yeah, better than cold temperatures,
Look,
that's
we
for
got
sure.
to enjoy the Port Wentworth Parade first thing
Yes.
Saturday morning. That was gorgeous, and our radar was all clear then, and it's all clear now. Savannah's only live local Doppler Max 11 radar, all clear, no precipitation to be found. In fact, not even any clouds, though just offshore. Look at the clouds racing by along the Gulf Stream, and there are clouds coming across North Georgia. They will stay there. We're going to be very quiet. You want to see some rain? Look at this shield of rain from Minnesota back to Chicago into Indiana and Michigan and farther south. Severe weather, severe thunderstorm watch continues Missouri back into Kansas, Oklahoma, and even more. Texas Panhandle. This cluster near Lubbock has put 4 tornadoes on the ground that have been confirmed so far. Now come all the way to South Florida. This tropical moisture is still in place with an area of developing low pressure. Too early in the season to worry about that. But back here in Savannah, we're fine. There's nothing going on at all this evening. I hope you had a great weekend with all the sunshine that we got to enjoy. And Future Max keeps us dry. During the overnight hours, 7 o'clock, we'll see some early clouds. That's part of the fog that we anticipate, but it burns off very quickly. By noon, we're quiet. Through the afternoon and into the evening, not many clouds to find at all. Still, we'll watch that tropical moisture. Just keep an eye on it. High pressure up on the northern tier of states, followed by this area of low pressure, and that's where all the storminess is. Here comes another system right behind that. Meanwhile, this low is just fading away. That moisture over the Tampa area could make it all the way into Alabama before it eventually is gone completely. Next tide will be high at 3:05. Low tide 9:36 in the morning. 6:39 will be our sunrise first thing tomorrow. Mariners, low risk of rip current, even though it's an east wind, but it's just starting that fetch. 10 to 15 knots, 3 to 4 feet on the seas. If that wind stayed from the east, the rip current risk would go up, but it becomes more southeasterly on Tuesday. UV index is very high if you're playing hooky. And tonight's forecast, watch for some patchy fog overnight. We'll have a low of 63 with winds that are calm. Then tomorrow, lots of sunshine, a mostly sunny day. Remember, early clouds with the fog, but lots of sunshine later. 86 for a high, east wind at 10 to 15. That means it will be cooler on the islands. 64 tomorrow night. All sunshine, 85 on Tuesday, 87 and mostly sunny on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, still dry, 87, 85, though we'll add some clouds here Friday and Saturday. There may be a risk of showers developing somewhere here toward the end of our forecast period. We're still too early in the game, but we'll watch that carefully, especially with the tall ships coming next weekend. We would love to see some pretty weather. I can tell you the winds will be fresher. That will help the ships navigate into the Savannah River very nicely Thursday into Friday. But for tonight, watch for some patchy fog, 63 for an overnight low, then back to the 80s tomorrow, not quite as warm as today. Hope you have a great day tomorrow.
I think I heard you slip in there that it was okay for folks to play hooky tomorrow. Okay, I'm just making sure.
Have
All right.
fun.
Thanks, John. Well, some strong winds.